She knocked it off the table. She's gonna knock the whole table over. Oh gosh. Ah, it's crooked. Where's the mommy, though? Where's the mommy bear? That's a little bear. He's a little tiny bear.
She needs her mommy.
He's trying to eat that pumpkin.
But pumpkins are gross.
No, they're not. Pumpkins are good.
But what if you eat them inside?
Where is that bear's mommy? That's a little bear. I don't know.
Maybe.
Now I'm worried. Where's the mom bear? Look at that thing.
But bears can't be in our...
Yeah, bears are not supposed to be in our yard.
Yeah, we don't like bears.
I guess he doesn't like the pumpkin.
Look at that. Look at that. Bears are cute, Easy. I like them.
Yes, but don't ever go by a bear because he will bite you, right? They've got very big teeth. I can't even, he just doesn't even care that we're standing here and he can see us and watch us and hear us, and he doesn't care.
The bear doesn't like
Look at his big feet.
He can walk though.
What is he doing? See him stand up? What is he? Oh my gosh, what the heck? They're very good climbers. Oh, he smells the lamp oil.
Yuck.
Yeah, yuck. You can't eat that.
No. He's going to hop off.
Why is he doing that? Is he gonna, he's not gonna jump, is he? That wouldn't be smart. Is he making noises?
No. No, hear him.
I don't hear him either.
That's why there's doors, Mommy.
That's why there are doors, yes. Because he can't get us.
Because we're safe.
We're safe, yes.
In the outside, Mommy.
No, we can't go outside.
We can't go outside now?
No, can't go outside now.
Oh,
Window's dirty.
We'll wait to the pier.
He's walking on the railing like a cat. So funny. There he goes, there he goes. Good job, bear. He just came to knock over a pumpkin and that's it, I guess.
You need to put the pumpkins back up there.
Alright, I'm gonna scare him away.
Go.
Get out of here, bear.